welcome or welcome back to my channel. Click that post notification bell so you know when I post all the time. Before we start, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get straight to it. So as y'all can see by the title of the video, y'all already know who I'm sponsored by, Divaswigs. And I'm basically gonna show you guys how I lay and melt my wig. So in the bag, they give you bowl caps. I already opened it because I was hype. They give you a paddle brush. This paddle brush, it's cute and they logos on it. Look at the logo. Now, here's the wig. So my hair is already dried because I made a separate video to this prior to. I'm gonna put it right there. Yeah, so this is the video. So when the wig came, the closure was already almost like, it was already bleached, but I feel like the knots could have been bleached more. I didn't feel like doing all that mixing and waiting on the thing to, no. So what I did was I took a little bit of my makeup, and you can use liquid, you can use powder. If you don't got any of that, you got brown eyeshadow, go right ahead, but make sure it is close to your skin tone. Put some there. I didn't have to put a lot. Like I said, it was already almost, thing. But it has clips on the sides, and it also has a clip on the bottom. This is optional, you don't have to. I like to feel secured, so I use it as well. This is what the hair looks like dry, and I'm gonna put it on and install it for you guys and show you step by step. And then I'm gonna also show you how it looks when it's wet. Right here, I'm just redoing my cornrows because it's rusty, dusty, and crusty and dry. So I'm just gonna moisturize it and do what I gotta do before I put it back into the wig. Y'all see how I plucked a little bit, but I feel like it needs plucking more. I pluck two different ways. There's the first way, I just take the tweezer and I just do like that, like part out a bit and then do that. Or if I have a client, I'll get a rat tail comb and I'll part out how much I want to pluck out, and I'll literally just pull it. See that bit right there? It makes a huge difference. I'm gonna just pull it. And if there's ever a case where I pull it and it's still like there, then you start plucking the unwanted pieces. You can use you can use alligator clips or a scrunchie for this part. Just take back some of the hair. And make sure it is out of your face. So I'm gonna just go ahead. And we're just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna come right back. And so if you blow dry it, it's gonna like obviously pick up the pace, but I'm gonna leave it like this and I go do errands and stuff and come back. By the time like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it should be crisp, like laid. Okay, I'm back and this thing is killing me. Oh. So now I usually cut it with scissors because I feel like scissors, you have more control with cutting it, but you can also cut it with this thingamajiggy. Almost there. Okay, so I just brushed out the hair. I look crazy, but the point is, look at that. That's the point. Don't mind this, I'm doing someone's hair. Beautiful. So this is the difference. This is dried and this is a little bit damp. Look at that. But yeah, I love this hair. Okay, so look at it. Look at it. But y'all, thank you for watching this video. This is a very quick tutorial of how to lay your frontal closure, whatever it may be. I hope it helps someone, because I don't know about you, but sometimes that glue is just too much work. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, and thank you for watching. Bye. Get money, get money.